Guys, this truck is just tougher than nails. These axles are holding up awesome. Yeah. We can't quite get high enough to downside it though, I don't think, unless we like backflipped it. All right, just to get some perspective here, we're pretty high up here. Guys, we're gonna go for a big jump right here. We made it. Oh my goodness, guys, this thing is a beast. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am Chris. This is Pnwrcmadness. Check it out, guys. We have the Mini Traxxas XRT on the bench, and we're going to install some brand new upgraded axles by GPM. Now, if you can see, the color of the truck has black parts and it has gray parts. Now, the gray parts mean they're HD, and really it shouldn't have to be upgraded, but we're going to go ahead and add the carbon steel GPM axles anyway. So let's go ahead, get them out of the package, and let's get them fitted to the truck. Now, I know I said that you don't really have to upgrade them because, you know, they're ready for 3S and they're gray. That means they're heavy duty. Well, the only thing about the plastic is, well, they hollow out pretty fast. Your parts are going to waller out, I guess you could say. The holes are going to get bigger. Things are going to get sloppier much faster. That's why we're going to go ahead and install these brand new axles by GPM. And you also get the carbon steel outdrives. Super nice feature. Let's go ahead and put them on the pickup. Here we go, guys. Check this out. We're going to go ahead and weigh up stock versus GPM. Obviously, the stock Traxxas ones are going to be a lot lighter. I'm just guessing. And then there's one more thing I'd like to show you guys. Don't forget to reinstall the little tiny metal washer on the end of your stub axle before you go stick on your hex. So stock axle with the outdrive is 0.6 ounces, not even an ounce. And then the metal, check this out, guys. When you go and find these, you're going to want to buy these on my website. I'll leave you a link in the description below. These are not like the Mini Maxx. The front and the rear are different size, so you're going to have to get a front and a rear. And then it even shows right there, front, F for front. So this is the front. Check that out, guys. Super nice. Again, these are carbon steel, and yeah, super quality parts. So let's see how much the GPM axle weighs with the stub axle. We'll go get the stub axle out. Already without the outdrive, without the outdrive in the pin, we're at 0.9 ounces. And with the outdrive, we're at 1.3 ounces. So definitely gaining a little bit of weight, about twice the weight. So just like, okay, so the stock axle through pin, it does not need any kind of Loctite. There is the GPM outdrive, and it comes with its own through pin that locks itself onto the differential gear, and you're going to need a little bit of Loctite. So what I like to use is CalRC IC lock. It's blue, medium strength. Let me show you guys what I'm using to lock these and keep them from coming off. All right, that is what we are using. CalRC IC lock blue. It's just medium strength, and you're going to want to use that on all metal to metal parts. So make sure to Loctite that, and you'll be good to go. No, you're only going to Loctite the screw. You're not Loctiting the shaft or the outdrive onto the shaft. Super simple. Check that out, and then go ahead and just screw her down, and you are good to go. Remember to grab the right axle. They're labeled front and rear. Install your stock bearing. Reinstall. Don't forget to reinstall the stock shim that goes on the stub axle before you install the pin. Just like that, guys, it's only a 10-minute job. Super simple upgrade. Guys, you can use the stock hex. So remember just to keep those in a safe place. The stock hex go right back into place, no problem. There we go. Go ahead and use your stock plastic hex if you want, or you can find some aluminum ones, 7075 by GPM on my website. I'll try to remember to leave a link in the description below. But check those out, guys. Super simple. We got the rear installed while we're making the video. Total time to put those in is probably 5 minutes for the rear and 5 minutes for the front. So let's go ahead, install the front, and let's get it out in the dirt. Okay, before I get out into the dirt, or if I've already made the dirt part of the video, one quick tip before we do in the video. Grab yourself some CalRC udder butter and your wrench. And we're just doing this for a little preventative maintenance. Grab your outdrive. Since they're metal now, we don't have plastic to metal. We're going metal to metal, and things are going to want to rust more. So take your outdrive, a little bit of udder butter, and just smear that on the inside. That way, when you stick it on the, I'm not sure what that would be called, the outdrive's connection there, it's not going to rust on there. When you wash your truck, it's going to keep the water away. So quick tip, let's go. Currently, guys, we just have this 3500 milliamp 2-cell battery. Let's go ahead, grab ourselves a 3S here at Tacoma RC Raceway, baby. Right here. All right. Let's see here. Hello, Ben.
How are you?
I am good. Wow, that is really cool. Do you guys have a 3S Mini XRT battery? You're on camera, Ben. All right, we got it. Let's go home and charge it up. First, guys, we're gonna go ahead and take this bad boy inside. Since we're at the track, let's see how it does. All right, here we go. It's all stock. Oh. Try to start these buggies away. A little push.
24.1.
You're all right. You're all right. Oh.
20.7.
Probably do the triple there, but I don't want to crash right now. So we're still running 2S, guys, and well, I don't know how long we've been out there for, but the motor is, well, not too bad. Okay, starting off, guys, the battery is super tight. That little extra bit of length, this is good information, makes it kind of hard to fit in there, and it's kind of budging on the wires a little bit. So another thing, check this out, guys. I got one shock that might be leaking a little bit, but hey, whatever, let's go rip it. Here we go. 3S, baby. Woo! Holy cow, I can already tell it's fast. Wow. Wow. Way faster than 2S, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so fast. It's gonna blow the tires. All right. Thing's a wheelie machine now, guys. All right, guys, this thing is an absolute ripper now. Kind of in the wrong spot, but look at this thing. It's too fast now. Holy cow, guys, it's so fast. I know it's getting hot too. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna try to hit this jump right here. I'm not sure if this truck is big enough to hit it, but I think we can hit it right about here or right about there. Here we go. Truck is kind of small, but we're gonna do it. Oh, maybe not. Well, we just got back from the skate park, guys. That was the last and final test, and we got it all cleaned up so we could bring it inside. And well, let's take a look at the truck. So, guys, I gotta say, this thing is an absolute mini beast. The only damage that really happened was right there on the front of the hood. That's about it. The axles held up, nothing is bent or broken or fallen off the truck. Guys, the truck actually handled super awesome at Tacoma RC Raceway. That is where we went and we got the 3S. The truck ran awesome on 3S. This thing is just absolutely a mini monster, guys. So I could go on and on about this truck and how awesome it is, but for now, look at that, guys. We didn't even have a chassis brace on the bottom. And, well, our tires aren't blowing out. Everything is super nice still. All cleaned up, ready to go. Shocks are not bent, none of that stuff. Guys, if you like the channel... Oh, I did see one thing. Look at that, guys. We broke the ESC. It still works, but we split the case. We'll have to glue that back together. But for now, guys, thanks for watching the channel. Please do leave me a like, leave me a subscribe, leave me a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Whoosh.